got the ZTK Gurney flap ZR1 X/ZR1 Gurney flap for the factory hood. This fits for the factory hood and the Auto Addict aftermarket functional ZR1 hood as well. If you guys buy our hood, it comes with the whole kit, the hood, the mesh, the tubs, 3-piece, the entire shell, and the Gurney flap. But if you're a ZR1 owner and a ZR1X owner and you want to just upgrade your Gurney flap to be the ZTK package, all you gotta do is take out the factory one that sits nice and flush, which not my personal preference, and add the Auto Addict Gurney flap dry carbon fiber double-sided. And what's cool about this versus the other one, it's gonna give the full dry carbon fiber effect, V-shaped carbon fiber to match the C8 ZR1 authentic carbon fiber. As you can see, the OEM splitter is also V-shaped, the roof, the split window, and the back carbon fiber as well. Super stoked, guys. So we currently are pre-fitting to make sure everything fits nice and properly. We're gonna align everything. Before we tie in everything at the same time, we're gonna just kind of put all the hardware in there and then slowly hand tie everything till we get that flush fitment that it deserves. Let's go ahead and sit down over there and show you guys the differences between this little floppy piece and what we got over there on the table. First sit down, show you guys the differences. Obviously this whole OEM piece is in carbon flash. It sits flush with the hood without giving it the ZTK downforce effect versus the ZTK Gurney flap that goes with the ZR1 OEM hood. You can use our hardware that we provide for you guys, or like we always recommend, using the factory hardware to equip it and reinstall it on the hood. So what I'm gonna do right now, show you guys the difference on this. Take out the hardware that we have, we're gonna put them on the side just for any emergency purposes, and replace it with the factory hardware and show you guys the difference between this and that. Huge. Okay guys, so another note I would like for you guys to do, if you guys it'll be a lot better. I think the factory gunmetal hardware is amazing, and I would love to contrast it with our black washer, and it helps cover where the imprint of the screw was kind of laid out when we manufactured the product and we make them in bulks. So that way it kind of covers any imperfections that you see in the thread. That's not something that's kind of very hard to fix because it's such a tiny little area. So therefore, what I recommend you guys to do, you don't have to use the hardware that we give you guys on the T25, but the T30 factory hardware, just go ahead and get the washers that we give you guys and replace it to the factory hardware. So I'm gonna remove all these right here and slowly put them on one by one. And let's give you guys a live demonstration of how we slowly pre-fit them so we can get a nice flush fitment. Then we hit it with the screwdriver. Alrighty guys, so another pointer for you guys to know when you guys are installing the Gurney flap, how am I able to align all these screws without having any fitment or kind of grabbing issues? You start from one end on the one side and then the other side as well. These two pins, when you guys kind of softly tighten them up, it slowly lets you align the inners. So what you want to do, start from here and slowly put everything together going inside. Do not start with one side and go to the other. It's gonna be very firm and tight, and you don't want to potentially scratch anything. All right guys, so everything's kind of hand tying right now. It's not fully flush to the Gurney flap. We're gonna go ahead and start using this screw. I prefer not to use the drill. If you guys want to, do so, but this is what's recommended. This thing is amazing.
Like 1,000 times better.
Yeah.
Makes the hood look meaner too.
Exactly.
You know? He did a good job.
Appreciate you, sir.
You did an amazing job. The fit and finish was perfect too.
Yeah, V-shaped as well to match and goes with the front lip.
Yeah.
All that good stuff. Inside out, OEM hardware, all good.
Yeah, looks good.
And himself, J-Star, just approved this. Super excited. If you guys want to buy this C8 ZR1, it is up for grabs. J-Star here in Anaheim Hills / Yerba. You can't miss them. They're right off the Yerba exit 91 west east going towards Riverside. So if you guys are interested, they got plenty of toys, even a GTD right behind me as well. Call their guys. Their sales guys will take care of you. Make sure you said, hey, Auto Addict referred you guys. I'm sure they'll hook you up as well. All right, guys, without further ado, on to the next C8. I can't wait to see you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video installing the Gurney flap of the ZR1X/ZR1 OEM Hood Gurney flap carbon fiber. Without further ado, I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.